Hi, I'm Andrea Lilienfeld.
And I'm Julie Jarmilowski.
And we're with the Kate Grant Group, part of my home group real estate out of Scottsdale, Arizona. And today we're back at one of our all-time favorite condo communities, the Optima Camelview. Julie, can you tell us a little bit about what makes this condo's layout different from a few of the others we've already toured?
I certainly can. This condo is unique in that it has a foyer. When you walk in, you actually have an entryway. And then you've got a couple of really big bedrooms. The master bedroom is huge by Optima standards, and the guest bedroom actually fits a king-size bed. You have 2 patios for this unit, which is very, very unique, and you have a laundry room,
which you really don't see for 2-bedroom condos here in Optima. Normally you see just a stackable, but they have an actual laundry room, which for whatever reason really excites me.
It does.
So come with us, we'll give you a quick tour of the place, and we'd love to hear your feedback on this layout. So thank you so much for joining us on the tour today of this lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, split floor plan condo at Optima Camelview.
If you'd like to see this condo or any other here in the Valley, give us a call. We'd love to help you navigate real estate here.